Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. What are we doing today, Cameron?
Doing another awning.
Another awning? What kind of awning?
An electric awning.
An electric awning. What kind of electric awning?
LCI.
Boy, he knows his stuff. Yeah, we're going to do a change of fabric on this LCI electric awning. Just like Cameron just told you. I don't know why I told you again. But we're going to use our brand new method that we learned recently. And we'll show you how to change one of these fabrics just easy peasy. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to start by pulling these arms down so we'll get a little bit of slack in this fabric. We're just going to do that with ratchet straps. So all we're going to do is take these ratchet straps, fasten it to the camper somewhere after I get the 4,000 knots out of it. Cameron's just going to pull this arm down a little bit. I'm going to hook right there. Y'all probably not in frame. You can't see what we're doing probably. Trust us, we're doing it. So we need that to stay straight. And then we can do that. And that's going to make things much taller. There you go. All right, now we got a little bit of free play in that fabric. That way we can work with this awning. All right, I'm just going to take these 3 screws out of this cap on this end. All right, you got it.
Got it.
Just come down here and get the same 3 screws out. All right, here we go, Cameron. Tell you what, let me shut this door. Got her. Okay. So we got the end caps loose, the tube is hanging. Now we're going to get, there's a couple screws in the tube. I already got one that holds the fabric. I'll go get the other one. And then we can start sliding this fabric out. All right, we're going to slide it out of the tube first. All right, we got the tube off. Now we're going to slide the fabric out. Now I know y'all probably can't see this, but there's a couple screws in the awning rail that we need to get out. All right, Cameron's going to go up and get that last screw out of the awning rail. And then he's going to see if it will slide. Slide, yeah, there you go. You can't push it, you have to pull it. Now we're just going to slide this old fabric out. Got the old fabric off, laying here on the ground. Now we're going to make sure our new fabric is the right length. Here, get that other end. Compared to the old one. Yep. Boy, these LCI fabrics really shrink with age. Is that one we done the other day? but the new fabric was a foot longer, but it went back where you could tell the old one used to be before it started shrinking. So yeah, these things really shrink a lot. So now we're going to slide the new fabric in the rail, then we'll slide the tube back on it, then button it up. All right, I'm just going to use a little bit of Windex to lube that rail up. Cameron's going to hand me is it the right way? Let's see here. Yes, it is. Well done. I'm just going to get started sliding this in the rail, and then Cameron's going to pull it while I got it. Oh, it's black on black. That's what you wanted. They told me they didn't have black on the bottom. We got the awning in the rail. Now we're going to slide the tube on the awning, and we're going to keep carrying on. Oh, I left my Windex. Dang it. I'm glad you're tall. That's probably good enough. We'll get to the end. Go out there so you can keep that fabric straight. All right, what do you got from the end of the tube?
3 fingers.
Take one.
All right.
You didn't move it.
Yeah.
Really? I got 2 fingers.
So did I.
Okay. So the tube is slid on the fabric. Now we're just going to reinstall it back to the caps on the arms. Just the opposite of what we took it off. Just pick it all up and give me this end. Hang on just a second. All right, go to the other end. Take your ladder with you, just in case. Yeah, it's going to be too high here in just a second, I think, for you to really be able to help. All right. It's just a little bit scary doing this with the wind. That's a big old sail, man. Yeah, let's go ahead and release these arms. I got about 1.5 fingers from the end of the cap to the fabric.
Yep.
All right. Go ahead and shoot them screws in that tube, man. So Lippert uses a screw in the tube to keep the fabric from sliding around. So I'm putting those screws right now back in, one on each end. All right, well, this camera shut off at some point. I don't know where, but we've got our screws in our tube, keeps the fabric from sliding around. We got the caps secured to the tube. Now we're going to roll it in, make sure it's nice and straight. If it's not, we'll make a minor adjustment. We'll roll it out, roll it in until it's straight, and then we put our screws back in our rail to keep the fabric from sliding around on the rail, and then we'll be done. All right, so we did need to make a minor adjustment. We just slid it down about a ½ inch or so. Now we're going to roll it out, roll it back in, and see if it looks a little bit better. While Cameron goes down there and puts the last screw in the awning rail to keep everything from moving around, we're gonna call this one done. So that's just I think it's the easiest way to do these Lippert fabrics. That's pretty easy peasy. So thanks for watching. Me and Cameron, we're gonna go fix another one. So y'all have a fantastic day.